All right, folks, you are looking at a magnolia bud. This is a bud. This will fan out and become a beautiful magnolia flower. And these are edible. And I'm going to take a bite out of this and show you that it is edible. Now, Magnolia has a very strong flavor, and you should probably just use it for a seasoning because the flavor is so strong. Now, when it's a bud like this, it's just new, it's young. The flavor isn't so strong. So, if you're going to eat them, I would suggest eating them at this stage. And maybe when they get fanned out and become a full blown flower, maybe just use that as a seasoning. Although you can eat it, it's not going to hurt you. Just, whew, it's a strong flavor, folks. Anyway, I am not an expert. Don't claim to be one. This is just what I do, and I'm showing you what I do. I've made mistakes before and, whew, have paid the price. So study it out. Make sure you know what you're putting in your mouth, folks. All right, let's take a look. Now, so you can just take a petal and eat it. That's still got a decent flavor to it. Or bite it. Hopefully there's not a bug in it. Not bad. Well, I'm not eating no more. Um, Strange. Tastes like you're eating perfume. Yeah, but be an excellent seasoning. Probably on some meat. Yeah, maybe putting that on some lamb would be excellent. But it tastes like it smells. I mean, that's all I know to say. It tastes like it smells. It's got a little bittery taste to it, but at first it's very pleasant, and then not so pleasant. But it's okay. Excellent survival food for sure, and I would definitely eat it in a survival situation. And I would actually use that as a seasoning at any time. Anytime. Look at it already. Where I bit into it, see the oh, it's changing colors. It's weird. That's it, folks. Anyway, we'll see you.